Release photo or video here.
Okay, it's on.
And then show Ava. Ava caught this monster. How old are you, Ava?
13.
Oh, wow. That is so cool. So let's weigh this turkey. See how much he weighs. Always want to weigh him in the net. Keep him in the water. Serves two purposes. You don't stretch their spine by hanging them by their head, and you keep them in the water longer by weighing them in the net. We got about 14 minus the 3, so 11, and we have 13 ounce, so we've got 12-pound fish. 13 ounce offset. I keep them in the water a little longer. I twist the net up and get them down just a little bit colder water. They like colder water. It's a skinny fish for 12 pounds, huh? Big fish. And then we're gonna bring him in and take a quick photo. Yes. You got the glove? Or you want me to hold it?
He wants
for
you
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Do you want me to stop video?
I'd probably drop it. My
No,
arm
you
hurts
can
so
video.
Just
bad.
keep, okay. Take pictures.
Oh yeah, I'll take a bunch.
We've caught this one before. It's got a big scar on him. You can tell us. Can you take a couple photos for me too? Switch to photo.